Hi friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of OrganoMed. And so friends, in the previous videos of ChemDraw Ultra, I had shown you how to write chemical structures, how to predict the NMR spectra, and how to write chemical equations or reactions also. All right, and these are the main aspects of ChemDraw Ultra, or you can say these are the main features of ChemDraw Ultra. In this video, I brought a new software, that is ChemSketch. Alright, so in this video we are going to talk about ChemSketch. Why I'm talking about ChemSketch? Alright, when we have ChemDraw Ultra. So friends, the basic thing is that ChemDraw Ultra is a Cambridge software, and in order to download ChemDraw you have to pay some money. Alright, because it's not free of cost. It is for academic, but it is not free of cost. That is, it costs some dollar and you have to pay for it. Alright, but if you are not able to download ChemDraw Ultra, then there is a better alternative of ChemDraw Ultra, and that is ChemSketch. And download ChemDraw Ultra software, then just don't worry, chill, because अगर एक रास्ता बंद होता है तो 100 रास्ते खुल जाते हैं, राइट फ्रेंड्स। सो उसी तरीके से आज हम ChemDraw Ultra के अदर अल्टरनेटिव्स दैट इज़ ChemSketch को देखने वाले हैं, जो कि एक बहुत ही अच्छा सॉफ्टवेयर है, एंड इट इज़ फॉर एकेडमिक एंड पर्सनल यूज़ ऑल्सो। एंड we will also see silent features of ChemSketch also, and but in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download and install ChemSketch. Alright, this is my Google homepage and I'm just going to write as ChemSketch here. ChemSketch. Alright, and yeah, you can see this is from ACD Labs, ChemSketch freeware. Alright, so friends, you can see that ChemSketch freeware is used to draw chemical structures. All right, and what kind of chemical structures you can draw here? You can draw any organic, organometallic, polymer and marker structures using ChemSketch. All right, yeah, that you can also calculate various molecular properties like density, molecular weight, refractivity and all that. All right, 2D and 3D structure cleaning. All right, this feature is also provided here, and functionality for naming structures, like it is like it can also predict the name of the structure. And one additional feature which I had not found in ChemDraw Ultra is the prediction of log p. All right, so using ChemSketch you can also predict the value of log p here. So let's see how can we download it. Yeah, so below you can see freeware 1 installation, freeware academic site license, free site wide installation at your academic institution. Like if you want to download it for any academic institution, then you download this. Otherwise, just go on to the first one and click on download free version. All right, you can see you have to provide some informations like your name, email ID and all that. All right, and this software will be sent to your email. All right, so you must enter a valid email address in order to download the link, in order to download the software. All right, so फ्रेंड्स, जब आप ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन फिल कर देंगे तब आपको एक कोड भेजा जाएगा, ऑलराइट, आपके ईमेल पर। आपको उस कोड को यहाँ पुट करना है, ऑलराइट, एंड जस्ट, और उसके बाद आपको यहाँ पर डाउनलोड का क्लिक करना। सो वंस यू डाउनलोड द software, it will appear as a zipped file, and from here you have to extract the files. All right, just double click on it and you can see something like this appears on your screen. All right, then you just click on setup. All right friends, so when you click on setup option, all right, this kind of dialog box appears on your screen. Just click on yes. All right, and it will start installing the software. All right, then just click on next. All right, here you have to accept the license agreement. Just click on next, again next, 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 and install. All right, so you can see here it will install. All right, and so once it is installed, just click on finish. It has been downloaded, and you can see, just click on the finish button. Alright friends, so once you finish it, a screen like this appears on your desktop. Alright, and you get three softwares here. You can see here, this is the 3D viewer, this is Chem Basic, and this is ChemSketch. Alright, so friends, then in this video I just show you how to download and install ChemSketch. Alright, and I will provide each and every single details about ChemSketch, Chem Basic, and 3D viewer, how to work on them, how to work upon them. Alright, in the next video we will discuss about each and every single step in detail, and I will provide you each and everything. So thanks for watching friends.